Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies, Preppy kitchen style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of good quality cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready ensures a smooth baking process from start to finish. Quality ingredients truly make a difference in the final taste and texture of your brownies. Now, let's get to mixing our brownie batter for that perfect fudgy texture. Begin by gently melting your butter and chocolate together over low heat or in a microwave. Once smooth, whisk in the sugar until fully combined. Then, incorporate the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition until the mixture is light and slightly thickened. Finally, carefully fold in your dry ingredients, being sure not to overmix. Overmixing can develop the gluten, leading to a tougher brownie, and we want them wonderfully tender. Baking is where the magic happens, transforming our batter into fudgy perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Remember, slightly underbaked is better for a truly fudgy brownie. The hardest part is waiting, but cooling is absolutely crucial for perfect brownies. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This allows them to set properly, preventing them from crumbling when you cut them. Patience here will be rewarded with clean, neat slices. After they've cooled for at least 2 hours, lift them out using the parchment paper and cut into 16 or 24 squares. Enjoy them plain, or with a scoop of your favorite vanilla ice cream for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.